Hi everyone, this is Jesse Catlin, National Account Executive at M&K Engineering. Today we are talking about RBM Blasting. RBM stands for Resorbable Blast Media. M&K Engineering has significant experience in manufacturing critical, tight tolerance, and complex implants. Because of our focused vertical integration strategy, we have a number of different surface finishes that we have developed in-house. Today we are highlighting RBM Blasting. M&K has a fully validated RBM process. Implants are blasted with alpha hydroxyapatite and then etched with an organic, low-concentration acid. This leaves no residual particles, the material retains the original structure pattern, and it results in a greater depth of surface micropores than the traditional SLA process. What we end up with is a cleaner implant with a rougher surface, without residual embedded blast particles, leaving a 100% biocompatible surface and accelerated osseointegration.